How to fix error_connection_closed error in Google Chrome. If you're landing on the error_connection_closed error in your Google Chrome browser, try these methods. Method 1, reset TCP/IP and flush DNS. Run these commands as admin and get the job done. IP protocol configuration/flush netstat netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset. Method 2, clearing browser's cache. Method 3, using Google DNS. Method 4, update Chrome or reset browser settings. Method 5, use Chrome cleanup tool.